it's Jenna with Blonde Rooster Garden. So we are checking to see on this new hive that we got to see if the queen has been released from her little box. She's had a couple of days to get acquainted with all her worker bees, and we're going to see how she's doing.
Go.
There's her little box right here. Let's pull her. And if she's not out of her little box, we will release her today. Oh wow, they've already started making cone on her box. Look at that. Look at all these bees. Wow. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. All right, girls. All right. Let's see. Oh, she's still in there. She's still in here. She's got her head is marked. So we're gonna go on and release her because she's been in here. Sometimes the candy is hard to get through, so we're just gonna release her and set her free. You want me to grab the box?
Yeah, I got these gloves on. Well, let me just...
Here. So that is some brand new cone that they just made. That is wild. Up close and personal. Now these bees are very gentle. Barnyard Bee says their bees are very gentle, and they actually are. Careful. Here, let me just shoo them. See, they're not mean. Okay. Oops. Let's see. Oops. So let's see her.
There she is.
Oh, there's the queen. Her head is marked. And we're just gonna release her. There she goes, right there. She's gonna go on in.
Walked in there.
Okay, so now we're just...
Oh, there she is.
There she
Okay,
is.
okay.
Oh, she just went on down. So we're just going to close the box back up. And that's, we just wanted to make sure she's out, because that way she can start laying babies. And May you prosperous and make lots of babies, and God bless this hive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to Lawn Rooster Garden on YouTube, please subscribe. And if you want to watch more videos, please turn your notifications on. That will alert you when I've posted new videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a lovely day.